Have you ever wondered why so many seniors are making the switch to electric cars and saving money while doing it? Across the country, retirees and older adults are discovering that electric vehicles aren't just for the younger, tech-obsessed crowd. They're practical, cost-effective, and surprisingly easy to use. In this video, we'll break down the real reasons why EVs are quickly becoming the go-to choice for seniors. From slashing maintenance bills to enjoying a smoother, quieter ride, the benefits go far beyond just helping the environment. If you're curious about the technology, worried about charging, or want to know how much you could save, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road and find out why electric vehicles are turning heads and changing lives, especially for seniors. Hey everyone, I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. If you've been seeing more electric vehicles, EVs, out on the road, you're not alone. This shift is happening fast, and it's not just for the tech savvy. If you're wondering what all the buzz is about and if an EV could be right for you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore the world of electric cars. We'll cover how to charge them, what to expect from battery life, and some fantastic cost-saving tips, especially for my fellow seniors. We'll also tackle some common concerns and myths, so you can feel confident about whether making the switch is the right move for your lifestyle. So, let's start with the basics. Why are so many people, from young families to retirees, making the move to EVs? Well, the benefits are compelling. Full disclosure, I've made the switch. First, they're incredibly quiet, offering a peaceful and relaxing driving experience. They also require significantly less maintenance. Say goodbye to oil changes, spark plugs, and exhaust system repairs. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and more money in your pocket. You'll also save a bundle on fuel, swapping volatile gas prices for the lower, more stable cost of electricity. Plus, with zero tailpipe emissions, you're helping to improve air quality in your own community. And honestly, they are just plain fun to drive, with zippy, instant acceleration that's sure to put a smile on your face. Now, I know one of the biggest questions is about charging. How do you keep an EV powered up, and is it a hassle? The reality is much simpler than you might think. For most drivers, charging happens overnight, right at home. You can use a standard household outlet just like charging your phone. For a faster charge, you can have a dedicated home charging station, as I have installed. And when you're out and about, the network of public chargers is growing every day. You'll find them at grocery stores, shopping malls, and along major highways, making longer trips totally manageable. Planning a trip is easier than ever. Many apps can show you where to find the nearest charger, so you're never left guessing. For daily errands, most charging happens right at home. Just like your phone, you wake up every morning with a full tank. For longer journeys, the network of fast chargers is growing every day, making road trips a breeze. But what about the battery's lifespan? A common concern for many. Rest assured, today's EV batteries are marvels of engineering built to last. Most are warranted by manufacturers for at least 8 years or 100,000 miles, guaranteeing they'll retain a high percentage of their original capacity. This means your car will serve you reliably for years to come, and range anxiety is becoming a thing of the past. Most new EVs easily go over 200 miles on a single charge, more than enough for weeks of typical driving. To maximize your battery's health, experts suggest charging to about 80% for daily use, saving a full charge for longer trips. Another pro tip, try to park in the shade on hot days or in a garage during winter to help preserve the battery. Now, let's talk money, because who doesn't want to save? While the sticker price can seem high, significant savings are available. Federal tax credits, which are expiring soon, state rebates, and local incentives can slash thousands off the price. Your dealership or a quick search on government websites can show you what you qualify for. The savings continue long after you drive off the lot. Charging at home is significantly cheaper than gas, and with fewer moving parts, maintenance costs plummet. Say goodbye to oil changes, spark plugs, and exhaust system repairs forever. So, how can you see if an EV fits your lifestyle? Talk to friends and neighbors who've made the switch. Then, take one for a spin. Dealerships offer test drives. Experience the quiet, smooth ride and the quick acceleration for yourself. You might just find it's the most relaxing and enjoyable car you've ever driven. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Inquire about the simpler maintenance and available government incentives that can make your purchase more affordable. From their quiet ride to waking up with a full charge, EVs are designed to make life easier. The technology is more intuitive than you might think. With the right info, you'll be zipping around town, saving money on fuel, and helping the planet by reducing your carbon footprint. It's a wonderful legacy to leave. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. See you next time.